I'm Janice, and this is my little dog, Big Mac, and we're the team from Mostly Blogging, and we're here to tell you about AI content creator tools you can use for free, and then we're going to go into whether we think you should use them. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more writing tips and more free tools that will help you in your 2022 success. Let's get started. First, I'm going to go through 10 tools. I have vetted these tools, I've personally used these tools, and I recommend them to you. The link to the blog post describing the tools are in the video description. The tools I have personally used and recommend for your writing success in 2022 include HyperWrite, Articulo, Article Blizzard, Text Optimize, SEMrush Content Template, Grammarly, SendPulse, Jarvis, AI Writer, and my fave, Quillbot. All of them have free plans as well as paid plans. So now that I've gone over the 10 tools that I am familiar with, I would like to tell you whether I think you should use them or not. Let's start with the advantages. They definitely save you time. If you don't have time to do your own writing, outsource. And AI is getting more evolved as time goes on. These 10 tools are available to you. They all have free plans, like I said. You don't need to spend time writing if you don't have the time, and you can go ahead and use those tools. I told you that I have used them, and I have to humble myself when I say I do believe that the writing in the AI content writer tools is superior to my own writing, and I have an MA and consider myself a pretty good writer. I blog, etc. But I was pretty impressed with the writing done by the AI, and I think you will be too. As I said, the writing is superior to at least mine. I have said it saves you time if you don't have time to do your own writing. And then finally, the best reason you can use these content writer tools is the big objection used to be that the AI did not use tone. Well, guess what? The AI uses tone now. They really sound like humans when they write. So the big objection is gone. Now let's talk about the disadvantages to using the AI content writer tools, even though they are free, or at least have free plans. Number one, the joy of writing is gone when you use other writing, whether it's outsourcing to a human or outsourcing to the AI. I became a blogger because I love writing online, and when I outsource to the AI, that's taken from me. It defeats the point of becoming a blogger even. Secondly, you need to get into a routine when you're a blogger, but if you're outsourcing to the tool, you're not in that routine. I write every single day between 5:30 and 7:30 p.m. every day. If I were to outsource to the AI or a person, I would get out of that routine, and I don't want to get out of that routine. I like keeping my skills up. So in closing, this video went over 10 tools that are available to you that have free and paid plans, 10 tools I'm familiar with and feel comfortable recommending to you. And then I went into the advantages and disadvantages of using the tools. Whether or not you use them in 2022 is your decision. Thank you for listening to my overview of the tools and the pros and cons of using them. Once again, before you go, for more writing and technology tips, please subscribe to this video channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.